Imagine a world where technology adapts to you, not the other way around. Is it a far-fetched dream or a reality we're inching towards? Picture this: a world where artificial intelligence, or AI, is designed to cater to each individual's needs, breaking down barriers and creating a more inclusive digital landscape. It might seem like a distant utopia, but we're closer than you think. AI holds the promise of making this dream a reality, and here's how. Consider Google's Live Transcribe, an AI-powered app that makes life easier for the deaf and hard of hearing. This ingenious tool harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to transform spoken language into real-time text. It's like having a personal stenographer in your pocket, ready to transcribe everything from casual conversations to important lectures. Live Transcribe doesn't just transcribe, though. It's packed with features designed to improve accessibility for people with hearing impairments. The app can distinguish between multiple speakers and displays a color-coded label for each, ensuring users can follow along with ease. It also recognizes sounds like doorbells or barking dogs, alerting the user with a visual cue. Imagine the empowerment this brings to everyday life. No longer do people with hearing impairments have to struggle to keep up in group conversations or miss out on important audio cues in their environment. A simple app, yet a giant leap for accessibility, don't you think? Now shift your focus to Microsoft's Seeing AI, a free app designed for the visually impaired. This remarkable application uses the power of artificial intelligence to narrate the world to its users. Picture this: you're visually impaired, and you're holding a device in your hand that can identify objects around you, read text aloud, recognize faces, and even describe entire scenes. Imagine walking into a room and having your device tell you there's a couch on your left, a coffee table in the center, and a television on the right wall. Or perhaps you're meeting someone for the first time, and your device